Hello everybody, my name's Andrew from BrickMeisterZ, and here's a LEGO tutorial that you need to know. I'm going to show you how to make your own animated videos using LEGO pieces. You can either try animating physical LEGO using stop motion, or try animating digital LEGO in Blender. So without further ado, let's get started. Before making a LEGO animation, you need to develop a plot. Try creating a story and to determine what your video is going to be about. It could be about when a baseball player tries to hit a home run, for example. Once you've developed a plot, let me show you how to create a LEGO animation both physically and digitally. For physical animation, you must use a stop motion app available on your iPad or iPhone. If you don't have the stop motion app, make sure you install it from the App Store. Open the stop motion app and tap on the plus symbol to start creating a new movie. Make sure to give it a name, choose any format, adjust the speed of the frame rate, and change the video quality. For each frame, move any minifigure or any LEGO piece around the scene. Then press the red button to take as many pictures as you like. When you are done with your stop motion video, tap the back arrow to return to the main menu. Then tap and hold the video's thumbnail until you see the share button and the export movie button. You can choose either one and save it as a .mp4 or .mov format. If you want to animate digitally, you must use Blender available on your computer. And this happens when you import a LEGO model from Mecabricks. To import a LEGO model, go to Mecabricks' website, click on their shop page, and choose Blender Lite or Advanced to download the files. Next, open Mecabricks' workshop page and start building your LEGO creation, or import existing LEGO models that you've already made in Mecabricks itself. You can also import a LEGO model from Bricklink Studio using its LDRAW or .io format. Now let's try adding a LEGO model from Mecabricks to Blender. In Mecabricks, click on File from the window bar, select Export, and choose the Blender Add-On .zmbx format. Then in Blender, click on File from its own window bar, select Import, choose the same Mecabricks format to add your LEGO model, and you're good to go. While working on your digital LEGO animation, you can try moving and rotating the camera, your minifigures, or other parts around the scene along the X, Y, and Z axis. That is done by adding automatic keyframes in the timeline. If you want an easier method to animate minifigures, Blender has two different add-ons. EpicFigRig is used for posing, and Iconface is used to change the faces. Moving on to rendering, one of the rendering engines that works best for me is Cycles. Cycles is a physically based rendering engine that produces realistic results, while EEVEE is a real-time rendering engine that allows users to create assets and produce final renders. Blender offers options to change the lighting of your scene using the sunlight or area light, as well as adding an HDRI background to the environment texture. When you're ready to export your video, find Output Properties, select FFmpeg Video under File Format, and choose MPG4 or QuickTime under Encoding. Under Output, click on the file icon to locate the file. Then in the window bar, go to Render and click on Render Animation. After exporting the video, make sure to edit it using video editing software like Premiere Pro or iMovie. And finally, when you're done editing your LEGO animation, you can share the video by uploading it to social media platforms. And that's how you make your own LEGO animation using both stop motion and Blender. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you want to see my LEGO Blender animations that I created, check out the BrickMeisterZ YouTube channel. Please subscribe and turn on notifications to see more content like the latest LEGO news and my LEGO set reviews, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.